Morning everyone, Scott here on site again today to bring you the latest construction update for Glasshouse Burleigh Heads. Our stunning porcelain and oyster tiles are really starting to bring the spaces to life on our low levels, with tiling well and truly underway. Joinery is also commenced on level 1 and our feature stone is on production off-site. Now we're here on level 3 and they've fully loaded up all the plasterboard, insulation's going in, rough-in is being finalised and we'll be starting to sheet very soon. So perhaps one of the most exciting things is to see the scaffold start to come down on any job. As you can see behind us, we've got the precast now being exposed. And now we're going to head up to level 5 to see how they're progressing up on the rooftop. Group line have sprayed the pool and the spa shells. In the coming days, they're going to start the waterproofing and the tiling works. We'll start to see the rooftop come to life. Epic. We'll catch you back here in a few weeks' time to see the crane come down. For now, this is Glasshouse Burleigh Heads.